this young fella, beautiful, beautiful young man, and so handsome, truly and genuinely believed that he was the ugliest, physically the ugliest human being in the world. And he came to me because I'm a behavioral therapist, and he wanted to change. He wanted me to help him get rid of his homosexuality, which, of course, in spite of explaining to him that I can't remember now who recommended me or how he found me, but in spite of explaining to him that this is, I'm not a Christian counselor, this is not what I do, and I'm not sure that we'll be able to help with that. Um, there's something that drew me to his story, and I said, okay, let's sit down for an assessment. Let's get to the bottom of this. Let's try and understand what's going on here. And little did he know that we never went anywhere near his sexuality. Um, and what helped me understand this situation so well would be his this system that I use, this I call the pendulum formulation.